Bryan Johnson has been making headlines the past year with his radical interventions that he hopes will help him reach the ripe age of 200 and become an ultra-centenarian. But the truth is, none of these interventions will get him to his goal except for potentially these 3 breakthrough medical therapies. In this video, we'll cover what these therapies are and how they're making Bryan and others push the boundaries of human health and longevity. In case you've been avoiding the internet to minimize DNA damage, Bryan Johnson is a multimillionaire who some say could play the role of an elf in the upcoming Lord of the Rings series. To complete his morphology into an elf, Bryan plans to live an extraordinarily long lifespan by using almost every anti-aging intervention known to man, including a whole-body exercise routine focusing on keeping or gaining muscle and strength, vegan diet with total calories below his daily requirement, very disciplined sleep conditions to get high quality and amount of sleep, over 100 supplements and medications per day to fill the gaps in his diet and bring his biomarkers to youthful levels, and more prodding, scanning, and testing than a typical visit to a college sexual health clinic. Speaking of sexual health, Bryan's most recent health biomarker is testing the firmness and duration of his nighttime erections. The whole protocol costs him a cool $2 million per year. While $2 million is an obscene amount of money, there are signs that his methods have drastically improved his health and well-being. For example, he slowed his pace of aging by 31 years. He has muscle mass and strength in the top 1 percentile and VO2 max, a marker of cardiovascular fitness, in the top 1.5 percentile. While the results are optimistic, the reality is that most of his interventions have not been shown to extend lifespan radically, meaning that these interventions are unlikely to help Bryan break the 120-year maximum lifespan barrier. His best shot at becoming an ultra or hyper-centenarian are the 3 regenerative therapies he recently started taking. The first is becoming gay, according to Bryan's words, which stands for genetically enhanced human. Johnson has recently received a dose of gene therapy with the follistatin gene. Follistatin is a gene that makes a glycoprotein that has some eye-opening health benefits, including skyrocketing strength and muscle size up to 3 times. Both strength and muscle size are highly correlated with a long and healthy life. Boosting follistatin also tackles inflammation head-on, one of the sneaky culprits behind age-associated diseases such as osteoarthritis. On top of that, follistatin treatment increased activity and coordination, improved blood glucose control, and best of all, extended maximum lifespan in mice by a whopping 30%. That's like adding 20 healthy years to the average human lifespan with 1 gene therapy. Yes, sir. And human data is around the corner as clinics are already giving these therapies to many individuals around the world. While follistatin gene therapy is a fantastic first step towards becoming gay, additional doses, or more likely combinations of gene therapies such as these, will likely be needed to have a massive effect on lifespan.
Hit the subscribe button for more videos on cutting-edge anti-aging therapies.
Another rejuvenation treatment Bryan received was stem cells, which are the superheroes of our bodies. Bryan specifically received a treatment of mesenchymal stem cells. These incredible young cells have the power to transform into a variety of cell types from liver to muscle to skin. But here's the catch. As we age, the number and performance of our stem cells starts to dwindle. It's like losing a team of mighty warriors in our battle against the sands of time. This decline in stem cell numbers and abilities can lead to organs losing their mojo and contributing to the aging process. But fret not, because stem cells have been making waves as a potential treatment for a whole range of age-related applications, such as regenerating damaged tissues, including the heart after a heart attack, and cartilage from wear and tear, reducing inflammation by up to 50%, boosting the immune system, and preventing and treating diseases including heart disease, arthritis, cancers, and even COVID-19. And that's not all. Activation of stem cells, or a single treatment of stem cells from younger to older mice, improved health and extended the lifespan of the 4-legged critters by over 30%. Talk about a fountain of youth therapy. Many human trials showing health benefits of stem cells It's only a matter of time before stem cells become mainstream anti-aging therapies. Many celebrities and wealthy individuals have already hopped on the stem cell train. The third rejuvenation therapy Bryan received was a blood transfusion from his son. Although taking your son's blood sounds like shades from the movie The Island, there's mounting evidence that young blood transfusions has miraculous rejuvenation properties. The first evidence came decades ago when a team of brilliant scientists decided to connect the circulatory systems of an old mouse with a young mouse. And astonishingly, these mind-boggling experiments revealed some jaw-dropping improvements in health markers and even extended mouse lifespans. The current prevailing theory is that it's not properties in the young blood that create these benefits. Instead, diluting pro-aging factors or accumulated damage in old blood could be the key to unlocking the door to extended youth. Diluting the blood in old mice had mind-blowing effects, such as improving brain function, reducing brain inflammation, boosting muscle repair, and even decreasing fat in their livers. There are promising findings in humans too, where several rounds of blood dilutions in individuals over the age of 60 reduce their biological ages based on numerous molecular biomarkers. Now, if these positive findings keep pouring in, scientists may have just discovered an accessible and inexpensive solution to add extra healthy innings to the game of life. As many more people like Bryan pioneer regenerative therapies to prolong healthy lifespan, we will be able to validate the potential of these treatments to slow human aging sooner than we think.